Hello, everyone, and welcome to Day 4 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice series on the English Expert podcast. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to have you back as we continue improving your English speaking skills. If you're new here, make sure to check out Days 1, 2, and 3, where we've been practicing the shadowing technique to boost your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. For those who are new, shadowing is a simple yet powerful technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately after them, trying to match their rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. It's like mimicking a native speaker to train your mouth and ears to speak English more naturally. Today, I'll share a short story about a trip I took recently, and you'll shadow me to practice speaking. I'll speak each sentence slowly first, then at a normal speed, and you'll repeat after me. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's my story about a trip. I'll say each line, and you'll shadow me. Let's start with the first sentence. Hi, I'm MIA, and I want to tell you about my recent trip. Hi, I'm MIA, and I want to tell you about my recent trip. Your turn. Repeat after me. Go. Last weekend, I went to a beautiful beach town. Last weekend, I went to a beautiful beach town. Now you try. Shadow me. I traveled there with my best friend. I traveled there with my best friend. Repeat after me. We took a train early in the morning. We took a train early in the morning. Your turn. Let's hear you. The weather was sunny and warm all day. The weather was sunny and warm all day. Go ahead and shadow me. We walked along the beach and collected seashells. We walked along the beach and collected seashells. Repeat after me. For lunch, we ate fresh fish at a small restaurant. For lunch, we ate fresh fish at a small restaurant. Your turn. Shadow me. The food was delicious, and the view was amazing. The food was delicious, and the view was amazing. Go ahead and repeat. In the afternoon, we swam in the ocean. In the afternoon, we swam in the ocean. Your turn. Let's hear you. The water was a little cold, but it was fun. The water was a little cold, but it was fun. Repeat after me. We watched the sunset before going back home. We watched the sunset before going back home. Go ahead and shadow me. It was a perfect day, and I can't wait to go again. It was a perfect day, and I can't wait to go again. Last one. Repeat after me. Awesome job, everyone. Let's put it all together now. I'll say the entire story at a normal speed, and you shadow me line by line. Here we go. Hi, I'm MIA, and I want to tell you about my recent trip. Last weekend, I went to a beautiful beach town. I traveled there with my best friend. We took a train early in the morning. The weather was sunny and warm all day. We walked along the beach and collected seashells. For lunch, we ate fresh fish at a small restaurant. The food was delicious, and the view was amazing. In the afternoon, we swam in the ocean. The water was a little cold, but it was fun. We watched the sunset before going back home. It was a perfect day, and I can't wait to go again. Fantastic work. How did that feel? If you found any part tricky, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. You can replay this video as many times as you need to get comfortable with the sentences. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. When you're shadowing, try to imagine the scene in your mind, like walking on the beach or eating at the restaurant. This will help you connect with the words and make your speaking more natural. That's all for Day 4 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice. Join us tomorrow for Day 5, where we'll explore another scenario to take your English speaking skills even further. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the English Expert podcast for more daily lessons. Let me know in the comments how you're doing with shadowing. I'd love to hear your progress. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, and keep practicing.